If you're looking for pocket watches, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 pocket watches tools. Number 1, most popular, by the Masonic Exchange. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by FLG. Number 3, by the Masonic Exchange. For more details about this great pocket watches tools, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, by Optima. Find these pocket watches at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6, by Bobo Bird. Number 7, by YouYouPifa. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Splendid Gifts. Number 9, by a new brand Mall. Discover more pocket watches ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10, by Umbrella Laboratory.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.